Hello, welcome to all of my Facebook and YouTube friends over this video. I'm Sanjay once again in front of you with my new video, and today I'm just going to show you something about my special journey in the field of spoken English. It is my practice session, and every day I keep some time to practice my English speaking so that I can get a better development in here. Just I have started my journey before 2 months, and continuously I am doing this still now for getting better benefit. But I think step by step I am doing better in here, and I am increasing and developing my speaking style as well as importing various kinds of new vocabularies, complex and compound sentences, and in other sector. The pronunciation is just going ahead. My accent is growing a little bit. Actually, I am now satisfied about the output of my practicing speaking English. If anybody want to take any tour of this field, please don't lose a single moment in your life and start from this moment. Make a nice plan about it, as well as your routine, and consistently practice from this moment both speaking and listening. And other two parts, reading and writing, is also very important to grow up your total spoken English. So finally, if you want to be a fluent English speaker, please try to make the capacity of little sentences by using easy words. First, start making simple sentences in English and try to apply it in your own speaking, and also try to think everything in your daily incident in English. And if you practice it consistently, after several days you will automatically find that it is your habit to think everything in English. And if you be able to capture this power of thinking anything in English, then automatically you will be influenced a little bit more to develop in your final English speaking. In this way, please go ahead and stay with all of my videos here. Next time I will discuss various easy tips and tricks for the newcomer and who want to learn the basic English speaking with good pronunciation and want to use the policies of imply the new vocabularies in your new speaking, can communicate with me and stay with my all of the videos. Okay, now today wishing you good luck and better peace. Bye bye.